Welcome to another Forex forecast with Blueprint Forex. I'm Francis, and in this video I'm going to be talking about EurUsd, showing the major levels of structures from the monthly time frame down to the daily time frame, and how I'll be trading around these levels. So before we start, if you are not subscribed to this channel, please do so to enable you get our content whenever we upload a new video. Alright, so from the monthly time frame, what we can see first is that we have this multi-year triangle right here. You can see that we have this triangle pattern, so I'll just zoom out back, and then what we can see is that from this high we had resistance here, we had resistance at this point, we had resistance at this point, and then if I'm going to take us back a little bit, you see that from here we had support down here, we had support once at this point, and then we had support at this point again, and then a couple of months ago we had a daily close above the triangle pattern right here. So with that close above, what we expect normally will be a retest, and after a retest continuation. That was what happened. We had the retest, and then now we have the price continuing. So now what we can expect is for the price to make it to the resistance at 24.83 over the next couple of months. So from the monthly time frame, we expect to see the price rise into this level of resistance, taking that this was resistance back here, it was support at this area, it was support here, you can see it was support, we have support, we have resistance. That's a very important level in the market, and we can expect the price to get to that place over the next few months. Okay, so from the weekly time frame, what we have is a market that has given us a weekly close above this weekly level of resistance right here. You can see that from this area right here, the price made this move and came above resistance, and normally after close above resistance, what we expect will be a retest of that resistance as support. But sometimes you may not get that retest, you may just see continuation up to the overall monthly target. But we can see now that the price is around a level of weekly resistance again around here. I can see that this area was support. We are going to go back a little bit. We are going to see that we had support at that point right there. So you can see we still have support at that point. So this is an important level in the market to keep an eye on. So what we can expect next will be a rejection of this place, and we can see that last week we had a rejection with this doji candle right here, which signals indecision. So now with this, the price can go either way. It's not confirmed yet. This can go either way. We might see a situation where the price will make this retest to this place, which we expect, before continuation higher. We might also see a situation where the price will just continue higher. So now we are not interested in taking any buy trade now at this point. Why? Because we had a rejection of this resistance. So before we are looking for any buy trade, we want to see a weekly close above this 21.63 area. If we are going to see a weekly close above there, then next week we'll be looking for opportunities to take a long trade on the pair. But for now, what we want to see is continuation lower back into this support at 1940. Remember that resistance remains resistance until it turns into support. So as long as this resistance is intact, we will expect to see the next move lower. So that's what we have on the daily time frame. Okay, so on the daily time frame, we can see that okay, last time I talked about this pair, the price had just made this rejection candle right here, and despite that we wanted to see continuation upwards because we didn't have a weekly rejection of that weekly level of resistance right there. But now that we have a weekly rejection of that level, now we are expecting this area to hold as resistance this week and over the next few weeks. So now we have a market that made it to this high and came back down here, found support at this area. So immediately we already know that this place is a level of support in the market for the price to have rejected it, and now the price is back at resistance. So at this point now, we want to be looking for reasonable entry signals from this area that we can use to take a short trade to, first of all, this low right here, and second of all to the overall weekly target somewhere around this point right here. So that's what we'll be expecting from EurUsd, from this area to see a valid entry signal or can use to take a short trade down to first of all this target, and it daily close below this area on the retest. Then we are going to be taking another short trade to our overall target right here before we start looking for new directions for the long trade. So that's going to be all on this video analysis. If you enjoyed it, do smash the like button, click on the subscribe button, click on the bell notification to enable you get our videos whenever we upload a new one, and share this video with your friends. If you have a question, you can ask in the comment section below. Also, if you have any pair you'd like me to analyze in the next video, to do put in the comment section below. And to meet in the next video, have a wonderful day.